Yeah, we're Chem 131 bound. Don't worry, we bought our lab gowns. Boys must want to drink at the table right now. From there it just seems to go down. Now some electrons are bound. Together more than one, they make a compound. The electrons were bound to meet, just trying to get their shells complete.
Back from this says electrons can act like waves. Electron diffraction proof, this is how it behaves. My spectra shows you, but only a few. Quantized like the models from Bohr. We said, hey Schrödinger, I really like your equation. I just found the particles' total energy of the system. When kinetic energy is increasing, total energy is peaking. Don't like the long equations, but I'm liking its applications. No, I ain't getting an A. I missed too many pole points and now my grade is at stake. Why'd I choose Rochester to attend? Community college would have been easier to comprehend. But I'm liking my active chem score. My active chem score. How do molecules bond to make a crystalline array? Anionic bonding electrons are given away. Coulombic attractions grew between ions 1 and 2. What about covalent bonds? Covalent bonds. La 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 dee da. La 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 dee da. La 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 dee da. Let's talk covalent bonds. Covalent bonds. Attractions cause to share electrons. Neither electron is set. Both atoms want 8 electrons to make it an octet. Polar hasn't been mentioned yet. That's when there's a dipole. Unequal sharing causing partial charges instead of whole. Wait, is this module mass intervals? Fluid structure is a good sketch. It shows you where the electron goes. Drawing a dot, adding a double bond. Formal charges I'm gonna destroy. I'm gonna destroy. Vesper theory shows molecules the 3D way. We need to look at all the parent geometry. Many sigma bonds true, pi bonds only a few. Because of orbital overlap. Talk more, Canberra!
What did ChatGPT say? Wait, that's not the academic honest way. Reluctantly, cause one of these TAs might catch me. Teacher once said to me, write down, all the code in collab now. I didn't roll in computer science, wow. I don't even know how. I'm failing, I know what you're thinking. You get a cheat sheet, why is you tweaking? Bio major, tired teenager, switch public health before I start shrieking. Is the semester over? I'm already out of declining. Forget hillside, all I can afford is default dining. So much caffeine I might have a stroke. Falling asleep in class just to be awoke. Should've rewatched that lecture. I'm scared to check grade scope. And I know I shouldn't worry like that. A lot of extra points still could pass. But I forgot a few DLNs. I think my mom's gonna beat my ass. Showing up to class looking the saddest. I know I brought down the average, but a C- is gonna cut it. So for example, I'm not gonna study one bit.
Can you boost my grade, my grade? Can you boost my grade, my grade? Can you boost my grade, my grade? Will you save my GPA, my GPA? In reactions, more and more substances are rearranged. They yield substances that are different from before the change. I really want to count formula mass with you. Add up the atom's atomic mass. The atomic mass. Is it redox or is it acid base? Wait, did it just make a precipitate? I really need to just make it through the rest of module 4. Module 4. La 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 dee da. La 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 dee da. La 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 dee da. Please don't play this for the class.